We have here today the Holosun HS512C red dot sight and the Holosun HM3x magnifier. Inside the box, you'll have the unit, the tool for zeroing adjustment, and a cleaning cloth for the case. Some user's manual. Comparing this Holosun HS512C to my EOTech red dot, you can see the difference. The Holosun HS512C is fully enclosed. The reticle can be turned on by pressing this plus button. So we are in manual mode. So we're using a CR2032 battery, and it says on the manual that it has 50,000 hours of battery life, and you can switch this into solar mode by pressing this button again for 3 seconds. So you saw the blink. It means that I switch it back on to manual. It has 12 different adjustment for the brightness, and I like the super bright LED reticle. It has a shake awake feature wherein this will automatically turn off when not in use, and then the sensor instantly activates when this scope will move. You can also deactivate that shake awake feature. For me, I like the manual setting. It has a quick release battery tray wherein you will put the CR2032 battery. You can see the windage and the elevation adjustment knob. I won't be having any problem with this, since compared to other Holosun products, the solar panels are located here. So it is vulnerable to dust and water and other things that can go down there. So I can just wipe this part with a clean cloth, and then I'm good to go. To turn the reticle off, you just have to press these two buttons simultaneously. And this Holosun HS512C is for Picatinny rail. For the magnifier, we have the HM3x from Holosun. So another cleaning cloth, a user manual, some spare screws, adjustment tool, and the unit itself. So I think this is for M-lock. This is for an M-lock rails, so an adapter for M-lock. So let's check the unit. It comes with a protector for the lens. This is a flip to side magnifier, so when not in use, you can flip this on the other side when attached to your rifle. There's pressure when you flip this, so you won't be accidentally flip this while being used. You need to put a lot of pressure. Then it has a quick detach for Picatinny rail. and then the windage and elevation for this magnifier. Then the knob, you have to be very careful switching this knob when being used with the magnifier. You can get this magnifier and red dot in Holosun as a combo set, but I got this two for separate purchase. For me, I'll be using this for a very long time, and I won't be upgrading this scope and magnifier since it will serve its purpose for my everyday duties. So I went to the range and have my red dot zeroed along with its magnifier, and based from other reviews, this item is almost perfect for me. The time I got it zeroed, it's kinda effortless shooting any target, and then when engaging targets more than 100 yards, I'll just use this magnifier and get the job done. So let's check how it looks by looking through the scope. I'm having difficulty setting this up, so I used my Magpul bipod here for you to have a better visual with the scope. So this is your sight relief for 25 meters. It's kinda blurred using this camera, but in reality it's so clear and so bright. So when engaging targets for 100 yards, I'll just flip this magnifier and I will see the reticle. So for me, this is an unfair advantage in the field. So when engaging targets, it will be very easy. So that's it for the Holosun HS512C and the HM3x magnifier from Holosun. Thank you for watching.